Here is a unboxing of the Tracksmith Elliot running shoes. These specifically are the men's in the white and navy colorway. I got these, I believe they go for $198, which is kind of pricey as far as running shoes go, but I really like the look. They're a little more subtle. Alright, let's pop the camera off the tripod and show you the actual shoes. So as you can see, they come in these real nice, the paper is printed with the Tracksmith logo. You can see it has this little sticker right here, so we'll pop that off. There's the shoe. As you can see, the shoes looks to be fairly breathable. Maybe this is reflective. Not positive on that. But yeah, insoles come out. There you go. Then we'll do a little top-down view as well as a side profile view. I'm gonna pop out the flashlight right now. Maybe, kind of hard to tell. There you go, top-down view. These are replacing a pair of HOKAs I had, HOKA Rincon 3s. As far as the sole thickness goes, these are a millimeter shorter than the HOKAs, or thinner, I should say. But they feel super comfortable. Just done a quick little jog in them. Loving them. Yeah, no pain. HOKAs were giving me some pain. So yeah, looking forward to using these for the next season. Here's a comparison between my current running shoes and the Tracksmith shoes. As you can see, the HOKAs, well, they kind of look about the same width. I would say I have not wide feet, but between your average and wide feet, and the Tracksmiths feel great. For anyone that wears skate shoes, I can't fit into Janowski's comfortably, but you know, these Tracksmith shoes, Elliot Runners, are great. You know, no issues width-wise. And then, you know, the HOKAs, again, these are not the wide, these are just the normal width. Some back shots. Yeah, and then just one more thing to mention about these is that the tongue, as you can see, is connected all the way down, which is great. And then, I don't know if it's connected on the HOKAs. It looks like it might be. No, it's not connected. But I never had issues with blisters or anything from these. But yeah, happy to change it up. Looking forward to see how these go. I will say these feel heavier than these. So we'll see. Free like, comment, subscribe. New videos every